Let me introduce myself. My name's Walsh. Jack Walsh. I'm a private eye, and I got a story to tell. Yeah, I know. Who hasn't got a story, right? Wow. Nobody's got a story like this one. Nobody. Business was slow, and I was running low on whiskey. But I was about to receive a visitor. A rather unexpected one. Hey, how did you get in here?
Good evening, Mr. Walsh. Someone told me you would be the perfect man to help me solve my problem.
Oh, really? And, who exactly is someone?
It's not important.
All right. Well, then. How can I help you, Miss?
My name is Crystal Ming.
The job was quite easy. I just had to find an old box that she lost. Family heirloom or something like that. And I'd get a good amount of cash. Not falling under Crystal Ming's charm was another story. Once I found the box, we met at my office. Hey, what is that?
It's a million crying souls.
What did you say?
There are some things, Mr. Walsh, that humans cannot handle. We better stop here.
Hey, wait a minute, lady. Where's the rest of my money?
I've known adventures, seen places you people will never see. I've been to the 18 levels of hell and back. I am water and fire. I felt the wind in my hair, riding thunderstorms off the black skies, and seen an attack fleet burn like a match and disappear. I've seen it. Felt it.
Well, there it is. There's my story. What would you have done, babe? Call your shot, send it over the wall. There's a storm brewing. Say it never rains in Los Angeles.